Ransomware is one of the most damaging threats facing organizations and individuals alike. It is malicious software that blocks access to your data by encrypting files and making them unusable. With Google Drive, we've built an entirely new layer of defense that helps to stop ransomware from being effective once it bypasses antivirus controls. Let's see it in action. Imagine you're working on your Windows device. A notification appears on your desktop letting you know Drive has detected a ransomware attack. Thanks to the new AI model that was trained on millions of real-world ransomware samples with threat intelligence from VirusTotal, Drive automatically pauses syncing of your files to the cloud to prevent data corruption and help stop the attack before it gets too far. To start the recovery, Drive guides you to the Restore UI, where you can easily select previous, uninfected versions of your files and undo the damage. Unlike traditional solutions that require complex re-imaging or costly third-party tools, the intuitive web interface allows you to easily restore multiple files with a few clicks. This can help you minimize disruption and data loss, even when using traditional software such as Microsoft Windows and Office. When the restoration completes, you and your collaborators get full access to your files again. To recap, Google Drive stores copies of your important files in the cloud, virtually eliminating the risk of data loss. It uses AI to automatically detect ransomware and stop file syncing to prevent data corruption. And most importantly, it allows you to easily recover your files so you can get back to your work. Make your data safe with Google Drive today.